Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you guys my process of my latest relaxer and sharing with you guys some things that I learned along the way. I learn things every relaxer day. So let's go ahead and get started. As y'all see, I'm basting my scalp with the Softy hair food grease. You can really use anything to base your scalp. I just like to use grease because I don't know. I just like it. And this one smells really good. So all I do is go through the parts of my hair and put the grease in there. And then I'm going to go around my edges, go around my nape. And also I'm going to go on the lengths of my hair to avoid, over processing some of my weaker areas. Those for me are like the very bottoms and tips of my hair. Now you guys see I am moving on to the relaxer portion. I did change relaxers this time. I went with the Motions regular relaxer primarily because the relaxer that I had used in the previous relaxer day, if you guys watched that video, it is the Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Relaxer. I loved that relaxer. It was so gentle, left my hair feeling so good, but that relaxer is very hard to find. And I'm very last minute when it comes to getting the stuff for my hair. So when it's time for relaxer day, so I kind of need something that's more readily available that I can get my hands on really quick. That Silk Elements relaxer, I could never find it on Amazon. Sally's would be sold out of it, and it was just really hard to find. So I went with the Motions one this time, and I have to say I really liked this one. It was nice and gentle, and it did what needed to be done. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, and as you will see if you continue to watch, I am more so of a Tex-Lax girl. I still have a lot of texture left in my hair, and you'll see that towards the end. And how I applied this relaxer, I still applied a lot, and I even took it pretty much all throughout my hair, and it still left me with a Tex-Lax result, probably because I did not comb through the relaxer. So if you are new to relaxing your hair and you want more of a straighter look without so much texture like I have in my hair or like a Tex-Lax, you definitely want to spend more time smoothing and combing than I did. And it took me about 17 minutes to fully apply the relaxer. As you guys see, I start in the back first. I don't do my nape first, but I start in the back first, work my way up to the crown. Then I do the top part of my head, and then I do my edges and my nape last. I do those last because those are just thinner and finer parts of my hair. That part burns the fastest, and I don't want to be looking like, I ain't gonna say it, I want to be looking crazy, okay, with extra thin edges. My edges are already struggling a little bit. We don't need them thinner than they already are. So that's why I do my edges very last. And like I'm telling y'all, I'm smoothing this relaxer pretty much all the way through my hair because I was trying to get rid of some of the texture that I had in my hair and get my hair straighter. But because I didn't comb it, it didn't really do that, okay? It took and it did really good on my roots, but as far as like down my hair shaft, like I said, if you want that straighter look, you want less of the texture, then you're definitely going to need to comb through the relaxer. But overall, applying it was very smooth. I like this relaxer, and I will continue to probably use this again because it's readily available. And what I'm using a handheld mirror. I'm using a big stand-up mirror in front of me, and I'm also using my phone as a mirror. So that's one tip you can use if you are worried about seeing the back of your hair or just making sure you get all relaxer all over your head. That is what I do. Next, I'm going to wash this relaxer out, and y'all, One thing about me that I have learned now that I've stopped using box relaxers is that I will never ever go back to a box relaxer again. Let me tell you guys why. The box relaxer does not provide you with enough neutralizing shampoo. You guys, I lost count of how many times I shampooed my hair. I know it looks like I did it really fast right here, but I probably shampooed my hair, no lie, like in between 7 to 10 times to get all of the relaxer out. Now, if you're a professional, or if you're just better at washing your hair, or if you have less hair, or you have a really powerful spigot thing, then okay, you might not have to do that. But I had to wash my hair a lot of times, and I'm using the Luxury Moisturizing neutralizing shampoo from Silk Elements. I really liked this. I know Isoplus makes one too if you need help finding one, and the one I'm using is color indicated, and I think that's important because it lets you know what areas of your hair you need to focus on as far as rewashing again, and if you need to keep washing your hair to get the relaxer out. So now what I like to do on relaxer day is I like to go through with my semi-permanent hair color. I like to use jet black. I am in my 30s, so I do have some grays. I do have like a patch of gray in the front that I cannot stand, and then I have like little scraggly gray hairs that I can't stand either. So I'm just going through with this. This is the Clairol Beautiful Colors collection. They do make a gray solution, but I don't use that because that one works really well, but it's too strong for me and it irritates my scalp. So I just use the regular one and it works just as good. I let this process for 20 minutes with heat, and after that I rinse it out and do my conditioning. I usually have to do this color every 4 to 6 weeks to keep it looking like as black as I like it. But other than that, I really enjoy using this rinse. For my conditioner today, I'm using the Silk Elements Advanced Repair Vitamin E conditioner. I chose this conditioner today for relaxer day because it has a lot of great properties in it. It's a strengthening conditioner, but it also very moisturizing. It has a lot of vitamins in it. It's got silk in it. It's got turmeric in it. It's got so many good things that are just great for your hair. It's a really well-rounded conditioner, and I like to use that on relaxer day because I don't like to go in with a moisturizing one then go in with a protein one because that's just too much on my scalp. I've already done a lot of work washing. I've already applied my rinse, and I just want to use a conditioner that's well-rounded. That way I don't have to do too many processes on my hair for the day. And really not my hair, it's my scalp that I'm trying to give a break. But after my relaxer day, like the next week, I do go in with my strengthening or my protein treatment, which is by Silk Elements as well. And I do have videos showing you guys the one that I use. I cannot think of it off the top of my head, but it's really great. And I usually use that, and then I'll follow up with a moisturizing conditioner after that. Now you guys see me using my Silk Elements leave-in conditioner. This is the jojoba one. It's nice and lightweight. I like to spray that, and then I like to let my hair air dry for about 30 minutes. So I went and did my makeup, let my hair dry for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer. I do have a video on me blow drying my hair as well, and the name and link of my blow dryer, if you guys are interested, I will link that in this video as well. This blow dryer is by Yano Direct. They so graciously sent it to me, and I love it, especially with this attachment. The last step, or I should say the next to the last step of my relaxer wash day, is me flat ironing my hair. I am flat ironing my hair on, I believe, 365 or 370 with my Chi ceramic flat iron. And on relaxer day, I really don't have to go through with super tiny small sections because my hair is already a little bit straighter. So all I'm doing is chasing and, going through with the comb and just getting it to how I'm getting it, basically. And on relaxer day, I flat iron my hair bone straight. I do not add any curls to it. And the reason is because After I flat iron my hair, I go immediately after and I get a trim. So if you guys do not know, I go and get my relaxer usually every 16 to 18 weeks, and I go get my trim every 8 to 10 weeks. I'm going to say I get my relaxer every 16 to 20 weeks, and I get my hair trimmed every 8 to 10 weeks. Yeah, that's how I do it. So this is the results, and I'm about to go get a trim. I'm about to show you guys what my hair looks like. I forgot to come back that night to show y'all, but what I did was I went, got my hair trimmed, and then I went and got something to eat. Forgot to come back and show y'all, but the next when I came back, I curled my hair that night, wrapped it, and this is me taking it down. This is me showing y'all what it looks like with the trim and everything. To me, I really love my results. Nice and thick, nice and full, nice and shiny, looks very healthy. And if you guys have any questions about my relaxer routine, hair, relaxed hair in general, anything that I do to my hair or anything that you want to see, please let me know, and I will try my best to answer you, or I will try my best to either make a video for you or point you to a video that I have already made. And y'all, I'm so sorry it took me so long to get this video out. I've been having technical difficulties. I know it's not an excuse, but something happened with my phone when I did the update where I could not airdrop anything from my phone to my computer, and that really slowed me down. But I managed to edit the video on my phone, so here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.